Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I just got this in the post. Actually, the postman came a little late today, so I'm looking forward to looking inside here. This is Papercraft Society box number 34, and it is the Lou Collins Textures theme. And as you can see from the butterflies here, we're going to have some butterflies. So this is the wallet. We'll look at that in a second. Nice cardboard box here. Oh, that's right. So this is going to be like the stitched, like, you know how Spellbinders has a lot of those stitching dies? I think that's what we're going to do here. So you get all this nice soft, ooh, I always need a needle threader because I'm at that age where I can't get my thread through. So you get a needle threader, which is always handy to have, and you get some fun little pokey tools here. Let's see. I don't know, we'll have to read about what that's for, but always can use these tools. Great for many things. Oh. So you get these colors in this like DMC floss type thread. And all of that, so I'm going to put that in that box. Book that it comes with. Let me just look and see what the tools are. So you get a threader and brads, parchment. Oh, that's right. I had the parchment ball tools with a white pencil. Oh, so okay. Quick flip here. All right. So here's the back page. All right. So the coordinating cardstock. You can see lots of blues, double-sided, white. Sort of an ombre looking deal there. I like that tealy green is pretty. And then some foam, piece of foam. That's the, yeah, see how those, we'll go through those in a second. And take this all out. Damp satin dies this time. So let's get that white foam back over here so you can see the little lace borders, capture the moment, birthday wishes and butterfly kisses, celebrate being you. Butterflies can't see their wings. If nothing ever changed, there would be no butterflies. And did I get them all? I love. And then some little borders so you can create some other shapes. Some leafy things, and then some trail, like you can make a trail with the butterflies that are presumably going to be in here. We've got two stencils, or I guess parchment, I'm not you know, I'm trying to say as usual. Anyways, these two stencils, and then let's take a look at the die set. See if anything coordinates here right off the bat. Let's take a look at the die set. So we have a flower that also has the backing piece to it, so you can make the shadow layer and then stitch through there. We have these little stitch centers you can do, a stitching border if you want to. So a stitching border there, you have the little body, which is nice to have a separate one. And then you can layer that. And then obviously the butterfly and little butterflies and some little trailing bits there. Some more flowers and leaves. So lots of fun there. And then we've got some papers. So we've got parchment. Nice thick parchment. Oh. I guess it's all parchment. Interesting. So yes, you get with it the ombre printed and white cardstock, the embroidery needle, threader, and brads, which must be what's in doohickeys. Some white brads, which is nice for attaching vellum because otherwise it can be tricky to not see the glue. That's a needle, embroidery needle. So a good size, good thread hole. and a good point to go through those holes in case you don't have one of those. Parchment, you get 12 A5 sheets, ball and tool with the white pencil to draw on that if you want to do that, the stencil, the stamp set, and yeah, I mean, you could with this stencil, let's see here, like you could sharpen that white pencil and draw in here, and then you'd have the white, or you could just freehand draw whatever. And then you've got the little guys here. Does this fit? I think it might fit this larger of the three here. Just in case you want to know that. But just to quickly show you, I don't want to show you the whole book and spoil it for you, but so some different stitching things you can do with that. All right. I will get to work thinking of some projects to make. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.